Welcome to my channel. I'm really happy you're here. This video is just a quick what you can expect from my channel. I've always wanted to have a YouTube channel. I've always wanted to document my life. I see so many things that I just want to be able to share with the world, and I've never really had the guts to do it. And a series of events have led to me sitting here today and actually doing the thing. And so I hope that you can be here along for the ride and subscribe and follow along and enjoy all the things that I have that I want to share with you, because there's some pretty incredible stuff and I'm so stoked about it. So here's some of the things that you could expect. We've got some epic trips coming up where we'll be going to the Northeast. I got goosebumps already just thinking about it. I'm so excited. You can expect some pretty incredible scenery and also some not so incredible scenery. All things van life, but also all things Maria. I travel in this full time. But I also have an incredible girlfriend who is in North Carolina, and that's actually where we are right now, in her driveway. You can expect to see some family affairs where we have a vineyard. This is Nefertiti, the stray kitty that we TNR'd, and her name is Nefertiti because we found her as a mama and she had some really big mammary glands. So ever since she got TNR'd, she has been hanging around and is a super happy girl. But yeah, you'll see some just every day in the life kind of a things, some really beautiful things, some trying to figure out life kind of things, and you can expect all things van life. You can expect all things adventure, all things chilling, how I navigate having ADHD, being on the road and work, maybe some van tours, some van mods. What are some other things that you could expect? I'm going to take you to some pretty epic places. We're going to go on some adventures together, talk about some hard things, talk about some lovely things, maybe do some art together, and I hope you're excited to come along for the ride. So feel free to leave any comments, questions, whatever in the comments. I'd love to hear from you and see what kind of content you'd like to see from me. I'd love to know what you want to know about van life, what you want to know about my life, and I'm so excited to share it all with you. So let's dive in, let's learn together, let's grow together, and I'm going to close every video with a special saying that I really love, and that is that when you do what's best for yourself, you're doing what's best for everyone else. So we're here to love, we're here to grow, and we're here to experience life, and let's do it. And while we're here, while we're at it, we'll do a quick van tour. And if there's anything about the van that you want to know more about, or that you want to learn about, or that you want to see, just write it in the comments. Let's do it. I'll do a quick little walk around. So, this is Betty. She is a 2021 Mercedes Sprinter. I'll go all the way around. Let's go inside. Here is my kitchen. This is my living space. There's my shower. There's my sink. Here's my cooktop. Here's my bed. My bed actually pulls out and slides out. This right here is some stuff I still got to get done. It's the rock wall that is right here that I'm going to end up putting on the back doors over there, I think. Undecided there still. Here's Neffy coming into the van. Hi, ma'am. That's Zena's dog bed. She's inside of the apartment right now. And yeah, here's my home. And if you have any questions, if you want to know anything about anything, just holler. I'm excited to answer them for you. I'm excited to start this channel with y'all, and let's do the thing.